In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in your Docusign documents. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started with Docusign, being able to include hyperlinks in your documents can greatly enhance the efficiency and professionalism of your digital communications. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, head on over to the Docusign website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in docusign.com. Docusign is a leading platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, making it an essential tool for many businesses. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, you'll want to log into your account. To do that, locate the Login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. After inputting your login credentials, you should be taken directly to the Docusign home interface. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Docusign home. This is your main dashboard from which you can manage your documents, send agreements, and much more. From this home screen, it's time to select a template. Templates are handy because they save time and ensure consistency across your documents. Browse through your available templates and choose the one to which you'd like to add a hyperlink. With your template selected, the next step is to add details to your document. This is where you input all the necessary information pertaining to your document, such as recipient details and any specific document elements you might want to include. Pay close attention to ensure accuracy, to avoid having to redo any part of your document later. After you've filled in all the required details, proceed by clicking the Next button. This will guide you through to the next phase where you can further customize your document. In this customization phase, you should see an option labeled Custom Fields. Click on it. Custom fields in Docusign provide flexibility by allowing you to add fields that are specific to your needs, including setting up hyperlinks, our objective today. While in custom fields, look for the hyperlink option or a similar text box where you can input URLs. Insert the URL for the hyperlink you wish to add. For optimal use, make sure that the link you provide is fully functional and directing to the right web page to avoid any interruptions for your document recipients. And there you have it, you've successfully added a hyperlink to your Docusign document. Adding hyperlinks can provide your document users with easy access to additional resources or related information, enhancing the overall accessibility of your documents. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to add hyperlinks in Docusign documents. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy signing and see you in the next video.